What's up, guys? Caddy Chat with Chris here. So I got a check engine light, and I took it to AutoZone here. Remember, you can always get the free diagnostic. Sorry, do I have something on my nose? I'm so sorry. Gross. As my it's just a mango. It's a piece of mango. Okay, why is there mango on my nose? Okay, P0304 engine misfire. Okay, so I'm gonna double check. It's suggesting that I need a new cable set, but I just replaced the wires and the plugs. So I'm just gonna make sure that those wires and plugs, everything's seated nice and tight, because this is a engine misfire. And then I'm just gonna see what happens. The check engine light turned off, but then it came back on. I think I'm getting closer and closer to a new engine. It's got 489,000 miles. So P0304 engine misfire. We'll see what happens. Maybe new engine. Yeah.